Hi guys, another cooking Grandad style video where I'm going to do the technical stuff. I'm going to grate the cheese and Nanny's going to do the cooking. So over here we have the complicated piece of machinery called a toaster, which we have to operate by pushing that lever down, and it's currently operating. Probably using nuclear radiation to change the texture of the bread. It also turns it brown at the same time. Then over here, Nanny's just used a piece of equipment that takes the top off of the can. So that's a can of beans, or a tin of beans, depending on what country you're in. So we don't waste any. I'm actually going to use a special implement called a wooden spoon to empty the tin. Actually, technically it's not a wooden spoon. I believe that one's a bamboo spoon. So
more sustainable.
Oh, more sustainable. Right. Okay. So I'm going to do the technical bit. I'm going to grate some cheese. Actually, I'm surprised we're having cheesy beans on toast, because we've got a stew thing there that was prepared yesterday.
Not enough.
Oh, right. Okay. Right, we have this thermodynamic, oh no, this one's solar powered. Solar powered grater. Right, you'll need parental guidance for this. You need scissors. You don't want to shut your finger in the drawer there either. That's probably not a good idea. So, Nanny's having a bit of a session at the moment, because she likes the idea of me chopping the top of my finger off in the drawer. Right, just check you can see what I'm doing here. Yes, you should be alright. Is that enough?
Yeah, that's exactly enough.
Right, we have approval. You can stop. Right, that can go back in the fridge, which is a problem because we're going to hit the camera.
I need the butter out.
Yes, we are going to hit the camera, so we'll move the camera. Quick peek in the fridge. Cheese goes in there. Nanny wants butter, but I think we're going to have clover instead.
The toaster's worked.
Oh, hang on. Right, the nuclear chain reaction has finished, and as you can see, the bread has changed in texture and colour. That's now called toast. Okay. When other things are toasted, it usually means they're dead, but that's not dead, that's toast. Now, this is a special method of Grandad cooking. You may have worked this out already. This is called Let Nanny Do It. should have actually focused over there a little bit on the beans. There's a special technique in doing beans as well. What you're not supposed to do is get them to stick to the bottom of the saucepan. If they go black and hard, that means you put too much heat in them. So you have to check them every so often, make sure they're not actually stuck to the bottom of the saucepan. Either that or you scrape them carefully so nobody notices. Right, I think we're nearly ready. I'll just put that one away. I think those beans are just getting to that point where they go a bit crunchy on the bottom.
No, they're fine.
I don't think you could quite hear what Nanny said to me then. It was a bit quiet. I hope she's counting those. We need to have a fair distribution. Ah, I know what she's up to now. These are mine. She's going to do something to hers special. Hang on, let's have a little close-up of that. She's going to put Marmite in hers.
Yeast extract.
Yes, yeast extract. It puts hairs on your chest.
No, it didn't.
I don't like Marmite. I might do now, I haven't tried it, but there was a little episode when I was a youngster, as a small child, that involved Marmite, and ever since then I've never liked to get near it. It involved my big brother. He wasn't very nice to me. Right, I think we're done now. So, a quick close-up. That's beans on cheese on toast. And that's beans on cheese on toast with Marmite mixed in. So we're going to go and eat our tea now. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description. And if you like this video, you might like this one up here. And you might like to have a look at my channel over here. See what else I do. Thank you for watching.